Unlocking Skincare Secrets, the Magic of Face Serum. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into the world of skincare, specifically exploring the phrase, use a face serum. This video will not only enhance your English vocabulary but also give you insights into daily skincare routines. Let's get started. Use a face serum is a straightforward phrase. A face serum is a skincare product, typically a lightweight liquid, packed with active ingredients. These ingredients target specific skin concerns like wrinkles, dark spots, or hydration. The action word, use, in this phrase refers to the application of the serum to one's face, often as part of a skincare routine. Let's dissect the phrase further. 1. Face serum, a concentrated skincare product designed for the face. 2. Use. This verb implies applying or utilizing something. In skincare, it means to apply the product to the skin. Understanding the individual words helps in grasping the full meaning of the phrase. Using a face serum involves a few simple steps. 1. Cleanse your face. Always start with a clean face. 2. Apply a few drops. Serums are potent, so a little goes a long way. 3. Gently massage. Spread the serum evenly across your face and neck. 4. Follow up with moisturizer to lock in the serum's benefits. This practical guide provides a context to the phrase, making it easier to remember and use. Imagine you're in a beauty store, and the salesperson suggests, you should use a face serum for better skin hydration. Now, with your understanding, you know they're recommending applying a specific skincare product for hydration benefits. That's all for today. I hope this video clarifies the phrase, use a face serum, and adds a new term to your English vocabulary. Remember, learning English can be fun, especially when combined with interesting topics like skincare. See you in our next video.